Welcome to Ask and Learn.
We're given a solid S, and we're asked to find its volume. So we're told that S is a frustum of a right circular cone.
Finally, there is a city for guys like me. I have just moved to loser Indian city.
With a height
I will never get
of
any pussy.
H,
I have moved there to find pussy.
a lower base radius of big R,
And now I find it is not here.
Oh damn, my apple's in the freezer.
and a top radius
Absolutely. Hold on.
Yeah, it's filled with water.
of little r.
To find out that most things can freeze.
Bananas can freeze.
Can apples freeze?
So
You can freeze.
to help, I'll draw a quick sketch.
You can freeze like.
So
And you're trying to
we'll draw a
isolate it.
cone along the x-axis.
Will it freeze solid? Because like grapes, no, because grapes don't freeze solid. They still a little.
Your understanding
bite.
So we'll have the narrower part of the cone
What I'm saying
near
is,
the
will it
y-axis,
freeze to the point that I can't eat it. That's what
and
I
a
meant.
larger
Not-
part of the
sorry,
cone
How is
further
your
away.
heating up?
I put it in the fridge.
Oh, you still want it crispy and chilled.
I still want it crispy and
I
chilled.
like a cold fruit.
I love crispy.
I like
cold.
a certain
We know that this bigger radius
That
is R, and the smaller radius is little r,
He's joking. Yeah, that's
You
terrible.
never know, man.
and the height,
Weird
the distance
preferences.
between
I don't
these
actually
two
have that
points
preferences, and I don't know how
is H.
Have you ever
Except the Costco also fucking.
No, I just say things.
Oh, interesting. You're a
Yeah.
chameleon.
You take
not a
positions.
I'm not a chameleon. I got a gift for gab.
Yeah.
This podcast
We see that the
is
volume
bad.
can be found using the disk method.
Podcast the other day, and then it's like we're like 30 minutes in. I'm like, well, the problem with freedom of speech is like, I don't want to be doing this.
This disk has a
So why
radius,
doesn't someone say something funny so we don't have to do
which
it?
is,
Oh god.
Oh, I
well,
know when you get locked into
to
making
find the
points,
radius,
which I never do.
Yeah,
I get slippery, dude. Once points start getting made, I'm out.
I get caught.
I'm ghost like Swayze.
they're given by the line connecting the points 0R and H big R.
But I'm not.
And I've given,
So to find this
I'm actually a
line,
pretty dumb person.
I just want to keep the
0 little
conversation
r
right.
to H big R,
You could accuse Racine.
We should get.
well, we have a
Louis
y-intercept of little r,
so
so y equals
we can have a
mx
real conversation.
plus
Just
little
get a
r,
black guy and just
and plugging in, we get big R equals m times h plus little r, so that m is equal to
interview him as if he's
big R minus little r
So,
over h, and so the line has equation y equals big R minus little r over h times x plus little r,
song.
She also said,
and so the radius
Right, that's the real entertainment.
is
I would love to get a pod with Sadney.
I'd love to get any of the kings besides
big R minus little r over
You're out on
and
h
Bernie's out
x
because he's dead.
plus little r,
So I guess it's just Steve Harvey or Cedric.
and now
Did Steve
with our radius we use the disk method, so that our volume is given by pi times the integral from x equals 0 to x equals
I
h
don't know. I mean, maybe
of our radius, which we saw was big R minus little r over h times x plus little r squared dx.
Yes.
To solve this integral, I'll actually make some substitutions to simplify. So I'll let u equal big R minus little r over h x plus little r. Then we have that du is equal to big R minus little r over h dx. And so we get that v is now equal to pi times the integral from, we plug in 0, we get little r, to plugging in h, we get big R.
where'd you get that? He's like, I got it in Queens. My cousin, he's an artist. I can't imagine a more Italian accent.
And this now becomes u squared, and then dx is equal to h over big R minus little r du.
In the in-between phase of his career.
That's just a beefy
This is a
guy
much
with
simpler
legs.
integral to evaluate.
You kind of put me off.
Yeah.
This is pi h over big R minus little r times 1/3 u cubed from u equals little r to big R.
And then,
and this is equal to
you know, but yeah, he's wearing a tight white t-shirt. And clearly sees.
pi h times big R cubed minus little r cubed
Yeah.
over 3 times big R minus little r. Now we can factor the top using difference of cubes. This is pi h times big R minus little r times big R squared plus
There's no gay Italians.
Oh.
big R little r plus little r squared over 3 times big R minus little r. And canceling out,
If their blood is 100%
we get
Siciliano.
pi h over 3 times big R squared plus big R times little r plus little r squared.
On a day where you're traveling a bunch, sure, but there's days where you're